Welcome back to our channel. Today we're taking a journey through time to explore the fascinating history of artificial intelligence, or AI. From its early conceptual roots to the advanced technologies of today, AI has a rich and intriguing past. But why do humans feel so compelled to build and use AI? Let's find out. The idea of creating intelligent machines has intrigued humans for centuries. Ancient myths and legends often featured mechanical beings designed to perform tasks beyond human capabilities. For instance, the Greek myth of Talos, a giant automaton made of bronze, reflects humanity's long-standing fascination with creating artificial beings. These stories suggest an early desire to extend human capabilities and explore what machines could achieve. Fast forward to the 20th century, where the foundation for modern AI was laid by visionary thinkers. British mathematician and logician Alan Turing is one of these key figures. In 1950, Turing published a groundbreaking paper titled Computing, Machinery and Intelligence, in which he proposed the idea of a machine that could mimic human intelligence. He also introduced the famous Turing test, a criterion to determine if a machine can exhibit intelligent behavior indistinguishable from a human. Turing and his contemporaries were driven by the question, can machines think? This question stemmed from a deeper curiosity about the nature of human intelligence and the possibility of replicating it. The term artificial intelligence was officially coined in 1956 at the Dartmouth Conference, organized by computer scientist John McCarthy. This event is widely considered the birth of AI as a field of study. During the conference, researchers proposed that every aspect of learning or any other feature of intelligence can in principle be so precisely described that a machine can be made to simulate it. This bold statement set the stage for decades of AI research. The early AI pioneers were motivated by the potential to automate tasks, solve complex problems, and enhance human decision-making. They believed that AI could revolutionize various fields by extending human cognitive capabilities. The 1950s and 60s saw significant advancements. Researchers developed early AI programs such as the Logic Theorist, which could prove mathematical theorems, and Eliza, one of the first chatbots designed to simulate human conversation. Despite these successes, AI research faced numerous challenges. The 1970s and 80s were marked by periods of reduced funding and interest, known as AI winters. These AI winters were caused by unmet expectations and the realization that many AI problems were more complex than initially thought. However, the desire to build intelligent machines did not wane. Even during the AI winters, some researchers continued to work quietly, driven by the belief that AI could eventually overcome its hurdles and fulfill its promise. The field of AI began to recover in the 1990s thanks to advances in machine learning, a subset of AI that focuses on developing algorithms that enable computers to learn from and make predictions based on data. This period saw the development of support vector machines and neural networks, which laid the groundwork for the deep learning revolution. The 21st century has witnessed an explosion in AI capabilities, driven by increased computational power, the availability of big data and innovative algorithms. Landmark achievements include IBM's Watson-winning Jeopardy! In 2011 and Google's AlphaGo defeating the world champion in the game of Go in 2016. These breakthroughs rekindled excitement about AI's potential. The drive to build and use AI stemmed from a desire to push the boundaries of what technology could achieve, solve complex problems faster, and improve various aspects of human life. Today, AI is an integral part of our daily lives, with applications in healthcare, finance, transportation, and more. The field continues to evolve rapidly, with researchers exploring areas like ethical AI, explainable AI, and general AI. As we look to the future, the potential for AI seems limitless. However, it's important to address the ethical and societal implications to ensure that AI benefits all of humanity. The enduring human compulsion to build and use AI is rooted in our quest to enhance our capabilities, solve complex problems, and explore the frontiers of knowledge and technology. The history of AI is a testament to human ingenuity and perseverance. From ancient myths to modern marvels, AI has come a long way and will undoubtedly continue to shape our future. Thank you for joining us on this journey through time. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more insights into the world of AI. See you next time. For more videos on AI, check out our playlist, follow us on social media for updates and behind-the-scenes content. See you soon.